Hey guys, Crispy Rice here. It's another sunny day in Los Angeles, and since my life is going downhill, I've run out of ways to make money, so I have to resort to foraging for food now. And I'm gonna help you recognize what's good to eat and what's not. Alright, so a general rule is that if it has bright colors, good to eat. Not poisonous. So if you see a bright orange berry, pick it. Alright, these yellow flowers, you can eat them. I don't know what they're called, but you can eat them. These are dandelions. When they bloom, you can eat them, but right now they're full of seeds and you can't really eat them. These bright red berries, I don't even know what these are, but if you follow my bright colors rule, you'll know that it's safe to eat. So, I'm gonna save a few of these for later. This is rosemary. You can use it as seasoning. It's common in Italian foods. Pretty good. This is the native California banana tree. You can tell by the leaves. They're not in season right now, so there's no fruits on them, but during the summer, there will be a lot of Chiquita bananas on it. Okay, down here we have the jackpot of food. Okay, these yellow flowers are black mustard. Thumbs up to whoever gave them that name, black mustard. But the seeds, you can collect them, and I don't know why you would, because I've been told they taste like shitty wasabi. Okay, these purple flowers are wild radish. They're not like normal radishes. They both taste terrible, but this one, you can only eat the stem and the flowers. You can't actually eat the bulb. But you want to get your knife to collect these. You want to just penetrate the earth and just start digging them out. Damn, wild radish. Okay, these are stinging nettles. You do not want to touch these because they will sting you. I don't really know how. I think they grow legs and like attack you. But if you touch them, you'll get a rash. So the way to eat these is to get the leaves and boil them so they can't sting you. And then you just eat them. Okay, this is mallow. You can use your knife to cut off the leaves, and you can boil them and beat them with like an egg whisk, and you can make marshmallows with them. If you add some other stuff that I don't know, but yeah. Alright, this stuff is horehound. Good name. So, it's very bitter, but you take the leaves and you can make beer with it as a replacement for hops, or you can make cough drops with it. Alright, so there's some animals that live here in Los Angeles. One of them is the common fence lizard. And there's rabbits too, so now I wouldn't eat those because they're not halal. They're not kosher. They don't fit my Christian religion. So but you can do it if you want. Okay, what you're looking at right now is castor beans. Do not pick these. They are toxic. If you eat them, then you're pretty much dead. There is some use to castor beans. If you're feeling suicidal, you can eat them for a slow and painful death. So if you're down on your luck, you can't get a date, you have depression, yeah, look for castor beans. It's 2020. Crispy Rice is advocating for suicide by castor bean. Yeah, mental health is a serious topic though. There's a squirrel. You know, when foraging, you should always take a rest. So find a nice shady spot and just hang out for a while, because you don't want to get heat stroke when foraging. Okay, those are prickly pear cactuses. Alright, so when dealing with these, They have prickly pears which blossom in the summer, so they're not ready yet, but when they're ripe they're dark purple. They look like little bulbs. They're big bulbs actually, but be careful, they have spikes on them. I tried eating one, then I got spikes in my lip and that hurt like hell. Probably the worst experience of my life. Are you a tits or an ass man?
Ass.
Alright, so if you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, smash the bell button, smash your shout out to Henrik, and see you guys in the next video.